You ever wonder what the stars do to keep their famous faces smooth and their billboard bodies fit? I scour the glossies and I consulted with top dermatologists and fitness experts to find the celebrity health secrets that really work. Here to reveal the star secrets is a woman who has done her own red carpet research. Entertainment reporter Tanisha Ree. Welcome to the show, Tanisha.
Hello. How are you?
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So how much can we believe from all the glossies, the magazine pictures we see of these folks?
Well, the magazine's job is to know any and everything about the celebs, so trust them. Plus, I did my own research, Dr. Oz. I talked to some doctors, some stylists, as well as all my experience on the red carpet. These celebrities know what they're talking about, and I'm listening.
All right, let's go to it.
Let's
Over
go.
here, we're going to start with famous faces. The first famous face is Lupita Nyong'o.
The Queen Lupita. Well, let me tell you, her skin is effervescent. She illuminates from the inside out. So we're going to listen to what she does. She's all about avocado oil.
Oh.
Yes, what she does is she uses it as a moisturizer all over her face, and she just really gets all shiny and glowy and delicious.
Well, she looks beautiful.
She does.
How do you apply it?
Well, it's easy. You want to wash your skin with a regular facial wash, and then you slather it on your skin like moisturizer. It's much like lotion, except for way better and natural. You know, Lupita likes to be organic. But most importantly, it's thin enough that it will penetrate the skin, but it's thick enough that it acts as a protective barrier.
And that's why it works.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, next famous face we'll talk about, but I should point this out, avocado oil has restorative processes if it's cold pressed, which is what you want to look for.
So you approve?
I approve.
Okay, great.
Jennifer Aniston's been on the show.
Yes.
What is her health secret to keep that skin of hers looking so darn smooth?
Yeah, she's amazing. She's 46 years old. She looks half her age. So again, you want to listen to what she has to say. And her secret is petroleum oil. Super cheap, super easy. You can get it anywhere, even a gas station.
Petroleum jelly? Where does she put it?
Petroleum jelly. She puts it right under her eyes so that she can moisturize her under eyes and ward away wrinkles, which is what every girl wants, right? Yes. And then on top of that, for a twofer, she fills her sink up the next morning. She wears it all night long. She fills up her sink with ice and cold water, sticks her face in it so she can reduce the puffiness of her eyes.
Yeah. That makes a lot of sense, because then if you do that, the blood vessels, they narrow down a little bit,
Exactly.
so it stops any swelling you might get.
So no wrinkles, and she's...
It's so easy to do, petroleum gel. I'll do that. Yes. I have big bags. I'll start doing that. All right.
You look great.
One more famous face, Lisa Rinna.
Yes.
What's her secret?
Our favorite new housewife in Beverly Hills. Now, Lisa Rinna is known for a couple things. She's gorgeous, her body, and her pucker, right?
Big lips.
Big old juicy lips. Well, what she does is she adds cinnamon to her beauty regime so that she can keep them nice and plump and kissable.
Cinnamon?
Yes.
You're kidding me. How does it work?
Well, what she does is she puts her lip gloss on or lipstick, and she just takes a pinch, just a little bit, it goes a long way, and she dabs it all over her lips, mushes it in, waits a couple minutes, and boom, pow wow, kissable lips.
Hey, cinnamon must be the most useful thing out there. I'm serious, you use it for everything. One that'll cost you anything, because I play with this a little bit. Don't put it on dry, because it can irritate your skin. So make sure, as you say, put it on your, something with some
make
gel
sure
in your
there's a
gloss
barrier.
or something.
Put your gloss, and it's a twofer. It tastes good on top of looking good.
Perfect. All right, come on over
Yes,
here.
absolutely.
Let's go to health secrets for the Hollywood hair you all want. We've got three wonderful victims here: Jennifer, Lindsay, and Stacey.
Nice and wet.
We're putting them all to the test.
Yeah.
So Jennifer's going to get the Catherine Zeta Jones
Yes.
approach.
What do we know about Catherine Zeta Jones? Well, her hair is long, shiny, and gorgeous, right? So we want to take one of her tips, and it happens to be beer. A nice cold
Beer?
one. Yes.
You're kidding me. She drinks it? What does she do?
No, she doesn't drink it. Don't drink the beer for shiny hair. What she does is she puts it in her hair, rinses it through, kind of leaves it in for about 20 minutes, and then she shampoos and conditions it like normal.
She doesn't smell like beer all day long?
She might, but I don't think anybody has a problem with that, right, guys?
No, I like And what kind of beer do you use?
You know what?
Any
It
kind you want?
doesn't matter what kind of beer you use, but it shouldn't be right out the refrigerator. It should be warm and flat. So when your husbands are leaving beer around the house, we finally have a good use for it, ladies.
Oh, you like it, huh?
Yeah.
I didn't realize this was true, but stylists have been using this for years.
Yeah.
So instead of paying a lot of money for that, use, as you mentioned, the used up stuff for the damaged hair repair kit that you want.
Absolutely. It leaves your hair shining and delicious. The proteins in it really help.
Can I smell?
Sure.
It's happy hour hair.
It is happy. That's exactly what it smells like. You just came. What do you think about it so far?
I can always use something for dry ends and for more shine, so I love beer.
All right. Well,
What
enjoy
you
the
need?
beer. You can drink the leftovers, by the way.
Go for you.
All right.
Cheers. Oh, you can't get it.
She can't trick. Next up is Lindsay. She's trying the Denise Richards Healthy Hair Secret.
Yes, Denise Richards has gone to the avocado. Good fatty acids in avocado. And what's great, she has her shower cap on. What she's gonna do is she's gonna mash up one ripe avocado, pour in a tablespoon of olive oil, make a paste, and put it on her ends. You know our ends get really dry, ladies, especially with the weather. So she's gonna put it in her hair and then put the shower cap on and bake it in there for about 20 to 30 minutes.
And how often do you normally have to do that?
Well, you should do it about once every 2 weeks, unless you are a flat iron or blow drying addict, which most of the people in this audience probably are. And you should up that avocado quotient and do it maybe once a week.
How often would you have to use it?
Well, I deep condition my hair every couple of months because I get highlights. So I think it would be important for me to do it every couple of weeks at least.
I mean, you have something left over, chips and dip, always
Exactly.
works.
Let me take a look. Exactly. Yep, chips and dip.
Is it in there?
It's in there. Thank you, Lindsay. All right. Last up is a Hollywood secret from Blake Lively. It's Stacey's trying out. What's Blake's secret?
She has it now. Well, Blake literally got this from her mama. What it is mayonnaise, which is filled with fat as well. A lot of us have balayage, we have highlights. You probably have highlights all through your hair. But the most dangerous part is the bottom. It really gets ratty. So you take mayonnaise, you put it at the bottom, you massage it in. Now, this is different than the avocado. What Blake does is she goes into the shower, shampoos her hair with the mayonnaise on. And usually what shampoo does is it strips the dirt and the oil from your scalp. But it also, when you're washing the bottom, it doesn't strip the oils from the bottom because the mayonnaise protects it.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
What do you normally do for your split ends?
Oh, I have to put lots of conditioner at the bottom, lots of products, and flat iron it.
Well, this is cheaper.
I gotta say it's cheaper.
Very
Good,
much.
it's a good use, another good use for mayo.
Absolutely.
Thank you. And how long do you keep it on?
You keep it on about 20 to 30 minutes before you go into the shower, and then you shampoo it and condition as usual. In the summertime especially, you need this, right?
Yes.
You know what I love about it? It has
100%.
natural oils in it. So it actually will help lubricate the hair, moisturize it, as well as your scalp. Let's get a little closer up there. All right. Thank you very much, Dace. Next up, let's get to the Billboard Beach Bodies. The first up, because you guys always want these bodies.
Yeah, these are great health tips, especially during the summer times. The celebrities are out playing. We are going to take their tips. First up, we have...
Before you go, I'm going to take you through three. We're going to have them come out from behind the curtain. They have tried these treatments, because I actually want to see what they look like. Kim Kardashian's health secret. What is it?
I mean, we're going to follow anything she does, apparently, with all her Twitter followers. She is all about sugar. A little bit of sugar goes a long way. What she does is she takes sugar and puts it in her body wash, washes her body all over from head to toe, smooth, glowy skin.
That's simple.
Yeah, that's simple.
Kristen tried it. Come on out. Oh, she's dressed
How do you feel?
out of the cabana.
She's sweet. Wait, you smell sweet.
Yes.
So how did it go for you?
It was great. Like what I did was I just put it on, I mixed my sugar with my body wash and I put it on like that, right in the shower,
Put it all over your body?
Yeah, and then I rinse off and I feel just like a Kardashian.
She feels like a Kardashian. Well, there's lots of products out there that have sugar scrub, but this is chemical-free, totally organic. This is the way to go.
But, I use brown sugar, by the way, which is not an accident. You should use brown sugar over granulated sugar. It's a little less irritating, especially if you've got sensitive skin. It's a great idea. Here, take the rest of the sugar with
You can have it all.
Yeah, it's all yours.
Parting gift for Dr. Oz.
Thank you very much. The least I could do, literally. All right, let's get to another health secret for a beach body. This one is from J-Lo. What's her secret?
Oh, well, J-Lo. Again, we all watch American Idol just to see how gorgeous she is. She's so smart. That body of hers at age 46.
Yep.
She sniffs grapefruit extract, okay, to suppress her appetite. What do you think about that, Dr. Oz? Do you approve?
Well, she was on the show, and that's when I learned she was doing this. And there's actually data. It's in animals, but it works.
right.
But there's data in her that it works too. So I like the idea. I wanted to ask Latrice, who's in our audience, to try it out. She's in the cabana. Come on out, Latrice. Well, she looks wonderful.
I'm always hungry.
So we gave you some of this grapefruit extract. You've been using it for a while. What do you think?
You know what? It is so awesome. What I do is I sniff it every time I'm hanging out with like my girlfriends or different things like that because I'm always hungry.
Peer pressure eating, yes.
Major. And then they want to know, how do you stay so slim?
Yeah.
And I said, I'm using grapefruit extract. And my girlfriend was like, give me some. You always have it in your purse. I'm like, you have to go get your own.
Exactly right.
Yeah.
You fight for a claw at it.
You do. So actually, you know what? I feel that I look better than, Dr. Oz. than
Pose, girl,
J-Lo.
pose.
I like that. I like that. She twirls. Go ahead. Go give it to us. Give it to us. Yeah, actually, again, it's hard to study this stuff in humans, but as I mentioned, they use this in rats, and it shows that it actually lowers appetite, and for that reason, the rats ate less.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Snack on, girl.
All right, one more celeb health secret. This one is from Salma Hayek. Salma's 48 years old. and looks fantastic for her age. What is her secret?
Yeah, this is actually my favorite, so listen up. This is called dry brushing. Now, the same sort of idea of sugar scrubbing the dead skin off of your skin, your arms, your body. This you do before you get in the shower. And it gets off all that extra layer. So you go in there already smooth, and then you can do the sugar afterwards. This is, she swears by it. She gets in there, and she's yummy.
Come on over here. I'm gonna fence you. You're on guard.
Yes! Dun, dun, dun.
All right,
Do we
now-
have a subject?
Cassie, please come out, my dear. There she
Hi.
is. So, you've been trying this, and if you bear with us, we're gonna actually show everyone else what we've been doing to you.
Yeah.
So you use which side? The hard side like this? Or?
No, this is not. It's not dominatrix. We're not spanking anybody. This is to slough off dead skin.
So how do you do it?
So we go brush up. We brush up. How does that feel?
Not too bad, actually.
Okay, I actually like it. I think it feels really good.
It feels kind of like a massage.
Yeah, you get addicted to it, I have to say. And you start going, where's my dry brush? I need to slough off some
And
dead
how about if
skin.
you go like this
No,
and-
you don't
no.
want to do that. You
Why?
really want to do it towards the heart for circulation, to let the blood flow, and you do it on your legs too. I'll do it too, like, why not? I don't want to be left out. Actually, I just wanted to because it feels so dang good. You can get
Did
this
it work
at
for you?
any
Did you
store.
enjoy it?
I did. It's really nice. I
Feels
didn't
good
mind
when you're doing it
at
and afterwards as well.
And you feel soft and smooth. It's like a baby's bottom, and I think that's what we're all going for, right?
Be soft and smooth. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It was a real pleasure. Thank you very much for all
thank
the
you,
advice.
Dr. Oz.
You can get all these simple celebrity health secrets at DrOz.com. I'll be right back. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.